So let us take question number. Let us take question number. Yeah. 14th question number 1 DS. All are simple same models. All of them are one and the same model. Question number 14, we have not done it. I'll just give you, please. You need not tell elaborate things. See what to do, how to do. That's it. And the rest steps are not podum, okay? You need not just tell me this is what we should do, sir. 14th one. Question number 1. Y is x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at 0, 5. What else you want? Tell me, dears. They have given the curve, they have given the point. Both of them are given. And you need to find out equation of a tangent and normal, dears. Equation of a tangent and normal for all 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. Equation of a tangent and equation of a normal. Please watch. Come on. Who will tell? Forget about a normal, we'll see later. First, you let us look at the equation of a tangent. What do you do, ma? Please, one by one. What is the formula for equation of a tangent, Bhavishna?
Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1.
What is m stands for?
Slope.
Slope means what?
dy by dx.
Brilliant, sir. Brilliant. So, friends, here you do y dash. Come on, can you tell y dash, Bhavishna here?
4x cube
Yeah,
minus
wonderful.
80
4x cube.
minus 18x square
Okay, sir.
plus 26x minus 10.
Brilliant, brilliant. So, what is the next step? How do you find out m exactly? Y dash or dy by dx or m? How do you find out? It's okay. This is y dash, no doubt. But this is not a number, right? We want a number. How do you get the number, dear? What is the next step? Dharanya, tell me the next step, ma. Dharanya. Yes, pa. Okay, she's having network issues. Pavitra, what do you do next, ma, please? Pavitra. Put. Tell properly, yaar. Fulla solunga, please.
Is equal to 0.
Put.
X is equal to 0.
Put x equal to 0. Brilliant answer. Put x equal to 0 to get y dash. What, Bhavishna? What happened? Why didn't say that? Put x equal to 0, ma. You get y dash or dy by dx at x equal to 0. You get a slope as plus 5, ma. Yes or no? 0, 0, 0, and minus 10, na? Yeah, minus 10. Sorry. Minus 10, ma. Inga paanga y dash lo poduma, y dash. Yeah, minus 10 years. Okay, put x equal to 0, you get m minus 10. M is minus 10. So, what is x1, y1, Dharanya? So, y minus 5 equals to minus 10 into x minus 0. Y minus 5 equal to minus 10x. So, 10x plus 5 is equal to 5. This is the equation of a tangent, yes. Equation of a normal, just you write it, y minus 5 equals to minus 10 will become 1 by 10. So dy by dx equals to minus 10. Minus 1 by dy by dx is the slope of a normal, that is called minus 1 by minus 10, that is called 1 by 10 into x minus 0 by x, that's it, x over. So 10y minus 50 equals to x. So x minus 10y plus 50 equal to 0. This is the equation of a normal ds. Normal and tangent are perpendicular. Just you see this plus between x and y, there is a plus. Now what is there? X and between x and y minus is there. That's all, because they are perpendicular. X coefficient is what? 10. They interchange the coefficients. Y coefficient is 1 and x coefficient, they interchange it. That is the beauty of this. Equation of tangent and normal. They are perpendicular to each other. Yes. Okay. Wonderful. Wonderful. Please. Kindly, you please tell me what to do. This is a fantastic. You people are told. You all should tell it, man. As a team, you please complete the problem. Okay, question number 25, please. Question number 25, find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals to root of 3x minus 2, which is parallel to, which is means what? The tangent is parallel to, which is parallel to, which is parallel to the line. The line is 4x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Yes, come on. Who will tell this first step? One person, you did not follow me. You just tell me, please. Who will tell Arpit? First step, what do you do? First.
Sir, since it's parallel, sir, we find the slope using the parallel line.
See, once again, I put the fan.
We find the slope of the parallel line, sir. It will be the same as the tangent slope.
Brilliant, brilliant. Which means what, ma? Tangent is parallel to the line, dears. Tangent is parallel to the line means slope of tangent is slope of line, dears. How do you find out slope of a line, please? Come on. Who will tell this? Dharanya, please tell me, dear. This is slope of a line, ma. Line is this, dears. This is line. Let me write. Line is 4x minus 2y. Yes, ma. Once again, here.
Minus a by b formula.
Okay, brilliant, sir. Minus a by b, sir. This is called a. This is called b, ma. This. Minus a by b is minus 2. That is called 2ds. What is the other formula, Pavitra? Tell me. What is the other formula to handle slope, ma? 4x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. What is the other way to do the slope, dears? Yeah. What is the other way to do it?
The mx plus c, sir.
Y equal to mx plus c. 4x plus 5 equals to in the minus 2y outside கொடுப்போங்க. Wow. Y equals to 2x plus 5 by 2. Now y is mx plus c. What is mds? 2. Wow. What a way to do this, math. This is a classic DS. You need not remember the stupid formula minus a by b. Very, very difficult, but Dharanya is capable. Say this. So, friends, m equal to 2ds. You want equation of a tangent, ma. If you want equation of a tangent, what you need is a slope. And yes, next step. What is the next step, ds? What is the next step?
Finding y dash.
after finding y dash, okay, y dash you find, and then you need a point. If you want the equation of a tangent, you need a slope and a point. The point through the slope. Slope is already known here, right? So do the y dash. Wonderful, dear. Wonderful. Y dash. What is the y dash, ma, please? Bhavishna.
2, sir.
Yes, Bhavishna, please tell me again. Bhavishna. Please, pa. Bhavishna. Pavitra, நீங்க சொல்லுமா, how do you find out y dash, pa, please?
1/2 into root 3x minus 2.
1/2
into root 3x minus 2.
Is it correct, ma? Any correction you want to make here?
Into 3, sir.
Y dash equal to y is 1/x, ma. What is the derivative of y? What is the derivative of 1/x, ma?
Minus 1 by x square.
Minus 1/x square, ma. Please. So this is your x, one root x, root x. You get 1 by root x, okay, root x. Root x can have a 1 by, yeah, you are right, ma. It's not 1 by x, sorry, ma. It's not, you are right, ma. You are right, very, very right. And further, ma, what is the next one more point, ma?
Into 3, sir.
Y is root x, there's a 1/2 root x, fantastic, ma. Yes, yes.
Into 3, the derivative of 3x minus 2.
Derivative of 3x minus 2, yes. Derivative of 3x minus 2. So y dash equal to 1/2 of 2 into 3, ma. Okay, this is 3. Derivative of 3x minus 2 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3 ds. Okay, y dash. But what is the y dash, ma, here? Slope is what? Y dash. Y dash is 2 ds here. So you can write now 3/4 equal to root of 3x.
So minus, sir.
Yes, ma?
Minus y dash is equal to minus 1/2 root.
இல்லம்மா, root x க்கு வந்து y equal to root x, ma. Y dash equal to 1/2 root x, pa. You are right. Only thing you didn't say 3. Derivative of 3x minus 2. You are perfectly right, Bhavishna. This 1/x na, na mancha 1/x aniti. You are right. Y is 1/x na, y dash is minus 1/x square, ma. Na on the different case na paste. Leave it. You are right. Only thing is you didn't tell derivative of 3x minus 2 solidani. So 3 mali 3 into 1 is 3 ds. 3/2 root of 3x minus 2. But slope is 2. Therefore, in the equate panna, you get this one, ma. 3x minus 2 equal to 9/16 ds. Okay? Square pannunga rendu side. Therefore, you will get the point, ma. Slope theriyuduma. Slope is known and point is required to write the equation of a tangent, ma. M you want, point you want, ma. That's all, ma. These are the two requirements to write the equation of a line. So to find a point here, just solve it, my dear. 3x minus 2 equal to 9/16 and 3x equal to 9/16 plus 2, that is 41/16, and x equal to 41/48 ds. Am I correct, pa? If x equal to 41/48, put in the y, ma, you get a y. Y equal to root of 3 into 41/48. No, 3x button it போடலாம் direct 41/46. 41/16 minus 2. So y equal to 9/16. Y is root of 9/16. You get 3/4. Y is 3/4. So the point you got it as slope is 2. You got slope and point also you got now. This is 1 and this is second office. Don't write plus or minus, dears. Don't write plus or minus, please. Already it is under root. Square root will give only positive value. In the Mari, root 4 and so now y equal to is only 2, dears. You should not say plus or minus 2. We understood, please. It's already under square root. That means it's only positive value. Paranga, root 41 by 16 minus 2 1. And root of 9 by 16 is 3 by 4 par. Therefore, point you got now, slope is there, point is there. Now you can find out. Yeah. Now you can find out the equation of the tangent matrix. Number 1, number 2, number 3. What is number 3, dears? Equation of a tangent matrix. To write equation of tangent, you know the slope and you know the point. What is the point, dears? 41 by 48, comma 3 by 4. So write it now, y minus y1, m into x minus x1, dears. x1 is 41 by 48. Cross multiply, you get it. 2 into 48x minus 41 by 48. 224 4 6 minus. So 6 into 4y minus 3 is equal to 48x minus 41 by 6. You can write now the 6 now cross multiply. 24y minus 18 is equal to 48x minus 41. 48x minus 24y and the 41 inside on the 13 okay? 13 or 23? You can check your answer, is it correct or not? Check pannunga. Otherwise, small arithmetical mistakes will be there. We have to correct it. This is the question number 25. Check pannunga, Raja, please. Fantastic answer, Parma. Fantastic answer. Question number 25. Look at this. Look at this. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, you are all fantastic. I think you are all understood. That's a great thing. Okay, we are. I have a suspicion that whether we are really able to follow it or not. Now I am just confident that we are able to do it. I asked Pavitra, is it really helping you? Means he said that yes, sir, now I am able to do with confidence. The problems I am able to do confidence. Okay, but now let us try some more questions. Okay, one more question. Why today many people did not turn up? I hope you all have taken massive part. Equation of a tangent and one is the slope, other one is the point. Normal also same thing. Okay, but I think I will do this exams, okay, previous exam question papers. See, let us take an exam paper question and then try to do it. Tomorrow I'll start with application of derivatives, the last exercise that is called 6.5, maxima and minima, the beautiful exercise. Particularly, I like the questions which are there from 13 to 26. 13 to 26 now. First, I attack those 13 to 26 questions now. Remaining, we will see later. Okay. First, I'll come to this because this is where people get stuck. Okay. So, I will be doing tomorrow. I tell you a little bit of concept required for those questions. Then I will do this. I don't want to get into too much of concepts into your head. Without much concepts, how to do 1326, because that is where from which you get a 5-mark question or case study question. You will get it from that area. Okay, right. So if I have got this exercise, let me choose the question and I'll ask you to do it. I'll give you 5 minutes of time. You all should do that and tell me yes. Okay? In the question, my textbook question, textbook question, but it's asked in the year 2013 compartmental, 2013 Delhi compartmental, and 2012 also, 2013 also. It's a textbook question 18th one. Textbook question 18th one. Here, please. Question number 18 from textbook. For the curve y equals to 4x cube minus 2x power 5. 4x cube minus 2x power 5. Are you able to see this? If the board is visible properly,
Yes,
4x cube minus 2x power 5. Find all points on the curve at which the tangent passes through the horizon. Tangent passes through the horizon. Right. Friends, yes, what is this question for? Why? See here, there are two things, my dears, one need to understand here. One is the curve where you are drawing the tangent. The curve, the curve means, so you are drawing tangent here, this point is different, this is called x1, y1. So the tangent is passing through the horizon, yes. This is the horizon mark. In the point 0, 0, this is called x, y and h1. The distinction from the properties. Be aware of it. Point at which the tangent is touching the curve is called x1, y1. He said that for the curve, find all points on the curve at which the tangent passes through the horizon. In the mind, points in the element properties. Suppose if curve is in the point, one tangent, common tangent. Try to understand this one. Find all the points. Find all the points on the curve at which the tangent passes through the horizon. Yes, the tangent passes through the horizon. This is a very important விஷயம் for this. Yes, let us see. Friends, for the curve y equal to 4x cube minus 2x power 5, find all the points in the curve at which the tangent passes through the horizon. The figure itself is very clear. The graph I cannot draw for this x power 5 and x cube, don't worry. That is beyond our scope. We will take hours together to think about it. Yes? So friends, here, first you take the curve here. Curve is nothing but 4x cube minus 2x power 5. What is y dash? Y dash is 12x square minus 10x power 4. Do you agree? Y dash at the x1 by 1 now. Y dash at the x1 by 1. Why? Because this is where the tangent is from, not 0, 0. Please don't jump the gun, please. Don't jump. Point 0, 0. Please. Be watchful about this point. In the point 1, but this is not the point to substitute in this now, please. Okay. Curve is also, curve can also come like this if you want to hear. We don't know that. We don't know that. Okay. So, time being enough, this is x1 by 1, at which you have drawn a tangent. Tangent is passing through the horizon, bringing a which one? Okay, please. So, friends, here y dash at x1 by 1 is nothing but 12x1 square minus 10x1 power 4 now. Okay, what? Right. This is number 1 and area. Okay. This is called slope, yes. This is called slope. But it's not a number now because x1 by 1 is not given. Okay, right. Friends, here we have done the slope part. Slope is known to you. And friends, here this is the slope of the tangent. And the tangent is also passes through the point x comma y. Friends, here this is what you have seen now. This is the tangent is passing through the 0, 0 point. This is I have told you x comma y. Then another point where you have drawn a tangent is called x1 comma y1. So you can choose the point x1 by 1 as a point for the equation of a tangent mark. Equation of a tangent is what mark? Please tell me. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 ds. Y minus y1 is equal to m is what part? This is called m mark. 12x1 square minus 10x1 power 4 into x minus x1 power. That's why they asked for 2 times power. Maybe optional question. Friends, look at this, my dears. Look at this. This is the x1 by 1. The tangent also passes through 0, 0. That is called xn by 1. Put tangent also passes through 0, 0. That means x, y ds, not x1 by 1, 0, 4, please. Y minus y1. So y equal to 0 and x equal to 0. See the difference between these two marks. 0. Put 0 minus y1. 12x1 square minus 10x1 power 4. 6 is 0 minus 6 y. This is also minus y1 now. X and y are zeros now, please. So divide with minus now, you get a y1 equals to 12x1 square minus 10x1 power 4 into x1 ds. Y1 equals to 12x1 cube. This is the multiplier. 10x1 power 5 mark. This is the equation. Friends, the curve is also passes through the curve is also passes through x1 by 1 ds. This one. So we know that this is the curve. This is the curve, yes. What is the curve now? Y equals to 4x cube minus 2x power 5 bar. The curve is passing through x1 by 1. The curve is tangent Curve passes through x1, y1, 1. So put y as y1, x as x1. Wow. This is number 3 mark. Number 2 and number 3 are equal, yes. Number 2 and number 3 are equal. That's all, yes. Such a difficult one, my. It is such a difficult one. 2 and 3 are equal, y1 and y1. So you can write 2 equal to 3 ds. 4x1 cube minus 2x1 power 5 equals to 12x1 cube minus 10x1 power 5 mark. In the x1 பாருங்க இந்த minus 10 இப்படி அப்புங்க this become 8x1 power 5 12 4 போனா 8x1 cube mark. 8x1 cube. So 8 now divide பண்ணுங்க you get x1 power 5 equals to x1 cube mark, which implies x1 power 5 minus x1 cube equal to 0 mark. x1 cube common எடுத்தோம்னா x1 square minus 1 equal to 0 mark. Teresa, are you able to follow me? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, for now then, the factorization is done. So either this factor should be 0 or this factor should be 0. x1 equal to 0 or x1 square equal to 1. So x1 equal to plus or minus 1. So x1 is 0. If x1 is 0, put here or here, nothing wrong. Put x1 equal to 0, y is also 0 part. x1 is 0, y1 is also 0 part. This is number 1 point. x1 is plus 1 and y1 is what? 10 part. Yes, what is y1 now? Please put 1 here. 4 minus 2 is 2 ds. This is another point now. Put x1 equal to minus x2, y2 and so on. Okay, no problem. x1 is minus 1, y1 is, put minus 1 here, mark. This is minus 4 plus 2. Become minus 2 ds. This is the third point now. Find all the points now. Find all the points on the curve at which the tangent passes through. Now you are drawing the tangent at 0, 0. You are drawing only one tangent. The tangent is passes through the 3 points now. 0, 0, even 1, 2, and minus 1, minus. Is it clear, mark? Clear? Clear, dears? What a brilliant question, Pavitra. Clear? Is it clear, Dharanya? Bhavishna?
Yes, sir.
Please take it, mark. Take it for a while. So find all the points. Yes, these are the 3 sets of points, mark. 3 pairs of points. I hope it is clear now. Let's start from the right. We come up to this, and we went here. 2 and 3 are equal. Then we solve for x1. Then we got y1 by substituting the comma. Either here or put in the 3 mark. Okay. Put in the 3, that's best. Okay. Put x1 values in the 3 and 4. Okay. Okay, but I think tomorrow we will start with this thing. What is that? Application of derivatives, and today is enough. Okay. I think I'll take up rest for the next class. And also we have completed the exercise. We have done almost all the questions. Okay. Thank you very much. I know that you are all tired. All the best, my dears. Thank you very much.